This weekend, Heather and I are camping at the Druids Rest campsite on Anglesey. We arrived yesterday, Friday, and we're here for tonight, Saturday night, and we're leaving tomorrow, Sunday. And we just thought we'd show you a little bit of the campsite. It's just opposite a ancient sort of Neolithic burial chamber, and we're going to go and explore that shortly. There's cows in the field, so we'll be a little bit careful, I think. The campsite's owned by a chap called Mark. He's a local landowner, and his grandfather constructed this as a cricket field. And it was only very recently, a couple of years ago or so, that the cricket club disbanded, and Mark converted it into a campsite. There's plenty of plots. He's got electric hookups and hard pitches for caravans. I'm now facing south, behind me north, over here east, and over there west. So where we are, camped right at the end there, we get the evening sun as it goes down between the low part of the trees there. We've really enjoyed our stay last night. So the campsite has got very good facilities: tuck shop, coffee bar, where you can get ice creams, coffees, beers in the evenings. There are toilets and showers. So here, toilets and showers. There's three of them rather. There's a washing up area. We had showers this morning. You don't have to pay for the showers. That's included in your pitch fee. I'll take you into one of the toilets. It's nice and clean. There you go. You can see it's quite new. Just push button shower. There we go. We did the washing up this morning, and there was hot water here. All the water, Mark said all the water is drinking water, but around each pitch, there are dotted around the field, there are water points as well. You can see those behind some of the near the electric points there. There we go. Video, please click like, then comment, share and subscribe.